What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best leveling kits on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Rough Country 2-inch bolt-on leveling kit. Rough Country offers a 2 inches bolt-on leveling kit designed for Ford F-150 models from year 2009 to year 2025 and Ford Raptor models from year 2017 to year 2018. This upgrade helps adjust the stance of your vehicle by lifting the front to match the rear, removing the factory nose-down angle. The kit allows installation of tires up to 33 inches in size, giving the truck a more commanding presence. It fits directly onto the driveline and includes 2 strut extensions along with essential hardware for proper fitting. Made from a blend of composite and metal materials, the components are crafted to last and handle different road conditions without damage. Each piece is designed to resist corrosion and perform well even in extreme environments. The installation does not require removing the factory struts, which makes it convenient for most vehicle owners. You can complete the setup using tools commonly available at home. It is an easy and straightforward upgrade for those looking to enhance ground clearance and overall appearance. With this kit in place, the ride remains comfortable while giving you the height needed for better obstacle clearance on uneven paths. Whether on the road or exploring off-road trails, the adjustment helps improve driving stability. This product is suitable for those who want a reliable and simple way to enhance their vehicle's look and performance without major alterations. The kit also offers long-term reliability and peace of mind for everyday or recreational use. In our list, the number 4 product name is FLYCLE Leveling Lift Kit. FLYCLE Leveling Lift Kit fits models from year 2007 to year 2023 of Silverado 1500 and Sierra 1500. This kit includes front spacers that raise the front by 3 inches and rear spacers that lift the rear by 2 inches. Due to the suspension setup, the actual spacer thickness is different from the lift height. Designed for both front and rear positions, this upgrade helps give your pickup a stronger and more balanced stance. The truck gains extra clearance, which helps with better road visibility and an improved presence. Built with aluminum alloy, the parts are strong, stable, and resistant to wear. Each piece is made using advanced processing and heating methods. The surface undergoes a special treatment to improve durability and stand up to tough environments. It includes high-grade studs that add to the overall strength of the setup. This careful construction helps keep the structure intact over time. The application fits a wide range of pickup models, so many drivers can use this product without concerns about mismatched parts. After installation, the pickup looks bolder and stands higher, which can improve its appeal and presence. The design ensures a stable and safe ride, offering both appearance and function without affecting performance. Installation takes very little time and does not require cutting or special tools. There is no need to take apart the struts or coil springs, which keeps the process simple. Owners can make the changes using regular equipment in their own space. This kit serves as a helpful upgrade for those looking to adjust their pickup's height and enjoy a better driving experience. In our list, the number 3 product name is Lifronkit 2-inch front leveling lift kit. Lifronkit 2 inches front leveling lift kit is made for Dodge Ram 1500 4-wheel drive models from year 2006 through year 2024. This suspension upgrade does not fit two-wheel drive versions. It raises the front section of the truck, helping balance the stance and making it more suited for different driving environments. The kit includes two front strut spacers designed for better ground distance, allowing extra room under the frame. It supports fitting larger wheels and tires without interfering with the truck's regular movement. The lift also improves the appearance by giving the truck a more solid and elevated look on the road. Every part is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum using modern machining processes. The finish is treated for extra strength and corrosion defense, helping maintain long-term quality. The studs included in this set are built for added pressure and are less likely to crack or rust under heavy use. This lift is built to handle both daily travel and uneven paths. It can help when moving over bumps or rocky routes by reducing the chance of contact between the vehicle's base and the surface. After setup, the driving experience remains smooth while offering a higher view and sharper stance. Installation is done in a short time and does not require advanced tools. Most owners can apply the lift with common garage equipment. Because the height change affects alignment, a proper adjustment after fitting the parts is advised for best performance. This setup is helpful for drivers looking to add clearance and improve the look of their vehicle without making major changes to the suspension system. In our list, the number 2 product name is Proease 3-inch front leveling lift kits. Proease 3 inches front leveling lift kit fits Ford F-150 models from year 2004 through year 2025. It also supports Ford Expedition models from year 2003 to year 2018 and Lincoln Mark LT from year 2005 to year 2008, both in two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options. This kit is not designed for Ford Raptor models between year 2009 and year 2016. The components raise the front of the truck by 3 inches, creating a balanced look between front and rear. Even though the actual spacer may be thinner, the vehicle receives full lift due to how suspension design affects height changes. This setup allows for extra clearance beneath the frame, making it easier to fit taller tires without causing rubbing issues. The parts are made from aluminum alloy and go through precise machining. The surface receives extra treatment to resist wear and damage, while strong bolts come pre-installed to improve fitting and support under pressure. Each part is shaped for accurate placement without affecting the truck's factory structure. Installing the lift requires basic tools and no cutting or coil removal. The entire job can be finished in a short time and does not need special experience or advanced steps. Once fitted, the truck gains a higher stance, which may help during uneven drives and sharp turns by giving the suspension more space to move. This upgrade is helpful for those who want to change the ride height of their truck while keeping it simple and safe. The result is a better driving angle and improved visual style without deep changes to the suspension system. The raised height supports light off-road use and everyday travel across various road types. In our list, the number 1 product name is Reiser 3-inch leveling lift kit. Reiser 3 inches leveling lift kit is made for Ford F-150 trucks from year 2004 through year 2025 in both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models. It also matches Ford Expedition from year 2003 to year 2018 and Lincoln Mark LT from year 2005 to year 2008. It is not suitable for the year 2004 Heritage model. This front strut spacer increases the front end height by 3 inches, helping balance the truck's overall stance. Though the actual part may seem thinner, the suspension setup creates the full lift effect. With more distance between the ground and the frame, the truck can support taller tires without rubbing or clearance issues. Each spacer is shaped using a controlled cutting method, which ensures tight fit and proper hole placement. The aluminum used is strong and made to last over time. The bolts are treated for better hardness, so they stay firm under driving stress. Every detail is designed to support smooth handling and long-term use in many driving conditions. The process of setting up this part is quick and does not involve changing major pieces or using cutting tools. Regular equipment is enough for this kind of job. Owners can expect a fast fit without needing to take apart coil parts, making it easier for home garages. This height adjustment is ideal for drivers who want a more solid appearance or need extra space under their trucks. The new setup helps the front match the back while also adding room for custom tire changes. It keeps the ride comfortable while also offering a different style and purpose for everyday or light off-road use.